When I went into YouTube, I didn't know I didn't think of like I want to make money. I just started uploading my cooking skills, and before I know it, I hit 1K. Before I know it, I hit 4K. I got monetized, and yeah, today I'm withdrawing cash from the cash machine, hole in the wall. Every month I withdraw money that you to pay me. It's just hard work and be yourself. Okay, guys, don't copy nobody. Don't panic. Just cool, chill, focus, determination. Is the key to be a successful YouTuber. As a YouTuber, we need to work hard to earn more money in YouTube. This is what I earn from my cash machine every month from YouTube. It's working hard. Be yourself. Do your content that you are happy with, you are comfortable with, you are compatible with, very well. Don't just worry about views. Just focus on what you are doing. Okay? Good luck. All the best, guys. So grateful to all my supporters, my subscribers, my viewers around the globe. Thank you so much, guys. Keep poking that red bell. Keep poking the notification bell on as well, and keep supporting. And I love you all, and I appreciate all of you. And I say thank you and bye.